now to deliver some welcoming words, may we have Mr. Kevin James A. Suazo for the welcome address.
Our beloved principal, guests, members of faculty, our beloved principal, guests, members of faculty, our dear parents, classmates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. We are very proud and happy on this great day for us. Today marks our first accomplishment in education. It is our graduation day. It is not an end, but it is just the beginning of a very big task that lies ahead of us. I urge, therefore, everybody to continue our good work. Let us not stop until we have reached the top. My dear friends, allow me to extend this challenge to our teachers and parents. Please continue your valuable support and steadfast guidance to us up to the time that you'll be proud of us and be part of our success and accomplishment till victory is won. To our teachers who help us build our attitudes, filled our minds with knowledge, and taught us how to become a good example among adult children. And as a pupil, we are able to handle the responsibilities given to us during the first step of our study. I thank you and good day.
A champion once said, "I hated every minute of training, but I will never quit. Suffer now, live the rest of your life as a champion." Words from Muhammad Ali.